Good morning, Hawaii day 17. I just packed up camp perfectly in time because it is raining now. So I'm happy to have done that, but the problem is the hikes that I want to do are pretty much impossible to do when it's raining. So yet again, Hawaii makes me come up with a plan B. Welcome to China Wall. This is one of my solutions. My plan B is to do a little sightseeing. This is a cool place with a lot of like rock wall and create some big waves. I'm just kind of walking up and down. I'll give you the panorama. So this is very pretty. Now I'm going to explore the right side. Whoop! This way. There are some big waves out there. Woo! And there's the right side of China Wall. So this is the nice little area. And all the water rushing off the rocks. It's almost like little mini waterfalls. Pretty sweet. Wow! It's coming for me! Oh, Jesus! And that is what we call the spitting caves. A cool cave that just shoots water out of it when the waves come in, but also a place to cliff jump, which is what these fellas are trying to gear themselves up to do right now, but having a little trouble getting started. I would be remiss if I didn't show you one of my favorite views on a drive in this entire island. Holy crap, that's amazing. Alright, starting the next adventure, Olomana Trail, otherwise known as Three Peaks. I got a feeling I know why they call it Three Peaks. But anyways, there's no parking at the trailhead, so you have to park like half a mile away, because all of this is owned by the golf course, or like some kind of resort deal, country club. So I gotta walk to the trail. Alright, looks like I made it to the Olomana Trail. And there's a lot of things I can't bring, and I don't even know what they are. What the hell's a liker or an auger? Well, I have to assume that there's a letter in front of that. Likers, augers. Oh, pets. I know what pets are. Yeah, no pets. Okay, I'm good. Yeah. Alright, let's hit this. Trail looking a little dirty and rooty to start, which is similar to all the other trails. Once you get a lot of these plant roots away, you're just stuck with like really sticky, muddy clay. So, gonna walk on clay for a while. Right out of the gate, came up on an abandoned building. Well, possibly not abandoned, but that'd be really old pump house. And some cool viney trees. Starting to get steep up here. Heading up to the first ridge. But I got some more rope-assisted rock climb. Cool. Almost to the summit. Just have one more obstacle. Giant rope going straight up a rock. So I'm in a bit of a low-hanging cloud. That's the second peak. And that daunting thing is the third peak. Things are starting to get interesting now. Now at peak number 2. That's number 1 where I just came from. And this is number 3. A lot more daunting. Straight down, straight back up. Alright, this is getting a little more serious now. I am going straight down a cliffside. And straight up a cliffside. And these ropes are about the only thing that's making me continue on, because without them this is pretty much impossible for me, because I'd be too afraid. Made it to the top of peak 3. Unfortunately, it's in a lot of clouds, so there's not too much of a view, but that could change in a couple minutes. The viewpoint's down there anyways. I just wanted to get to the end, and it looks like there might even be a sign in canister or something like that. But dude, this trail was wicked. It might even be up there with Crouching Lion in terms of danger, because all the ropes that you hike on are necessary. Like, you are you're not like climbing up rocks and the rope helps you. Like, you need the rope in order to rappel up the rocks. It is a very tough hike. I have so much sweat on me that a lady asked if it was raining from my direction. So I had to embarrassingly say, nope, this is all me, baby. In so many words. Oh, man. I got a viewpoint now. A little bit. Ooh, we are up here. Not as high of an elevation as the first peak, I'm pretty sure. But way steeper, way scarier, way more dangerous, and a lot more rope climbing. Getting even better views, but more importantly, just conquered that fella. Whew. The peak is actually hidden behind there. That top point is a false summit. It's actually up here somewhere. But that is one of the more dangerous things I've ever done in my life, equaling the Crouching Lion, if not surpassing it. My God, what a hell! Oh, adrenaline rush, adrenaline rush. And now I got to do the same thing to get up the other side. Some rock climbing, but once I get up to back up to the second peak, it shouldn't be too bad. Lots of elevation, but quite a bit safer. Going up again, straight vertical. Oh my God, this trail's kicking my ass. Look at that. That's about as vertical as I've ever climbed over that distance. Oh. Hope these ropes are good. Alright, hike complete. The Olomana or Three Peaks Trail has been defeated. Another huge hike that is on like my top 5 list. Definitely top 2 for danger, because it was right up there with the Crouching Lion, whatever else loop it was that we did first with Brandon. Cow Crater was also kind of in that dangerous realm with a lot of rope climbing and stuff, but I never really felt like I was in danger on that part of the trail, just more of excited because of all the new exciting things to do. So now I'm at some botanical gardens because I thought that'd be a cool place to visit, but looking around, it seems like all these plants that they're showcasing are ones that I've already seen on the trail. I've already got my own botanical garden out there, so I don't know, I guess maybe I feel like my time would be better suited doing something else, you know? So I'm just doing my drive-through of the botanical gardens and just found this little charcoal kiln here. Ooh, pretty cool. Look at these gorgeous polys though. They go almost the length of this this road here. Wow. They're so tall, like there'd be no way for me to climb it. You'd definitely have to have climbing equipment. That's just treacherous. Wow. Alright, just got out of Kono's. Had the pork plate, which was pulled pork, salad, and rice. That was pretty good for an appetizer. Hiker hunger hit me hard, so got some more. This happens to be a triple crown, which I've already forgotten what meats that is, but it's 3 different types of meat and some guava barbecue sauce and some other stuff. And I also got a guava lemonade for free because it's a happy hour deal. So now I was about to go to Kailua Beach, but then I thought, why bother? If I got to camp somewhere, I may as well just go to camp now and enjoy the beach there. And what place do we know has a beach with a camp we can enjoy? Why, Manalo Bay. Next stop, hanging. We even get a view of the Olomana Trail, 3 peaks from the ground level. So that is what I hiked today. Those 3 big behemoths. And what a hell of a hike it was. I honestly can't think of much of a better place to be eating some dinner than at this beach. Beautiful views of the polys, rock structures outside, and some food sitting in my chair. You know, I've always wanted to be on one of those food channels. It just seems like fun. You get to travel everywhere and try all these amazing food challenges and stuff. Oh, I do have my own TV channel now, so maybe I could try it. What's up, YouTube? It's your man Connor here with Hiker vs. Food. And today I'm taking on the Triple Crown. That is ham, pulled pork, and bacon on a nice Kaiser roll with some chippies. Oh, garlic chippies. I'm about to take this bad boy to town. Slow roasted for 12-hour pulled pork. It's gonna be amazing. Right down here in Kailua, Oahu, Hawaii. But that's not all, folks. This baby comes with some guava barbecue sauce, some house-made honey mustard sauce, as well as some lettuce. Now these are some good eats. So that is the end of Hawaii Day 17. I really hope you enjoyed it. A big, dangerous, fun hike. I'm really glad to show to you. And then some really cool stuff like spitting caves and China Wall. So lots of ocean, lots of trail, lots of dangerous rope climbing. And I really hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. I'll see you tomorrow.